Hey, this is Mr. Mac. Just want to let you know that you'll probably find some mathematical errors in this show, but the students did an incredible job of finding some general trends based on the data that they've taken. So enjoy the show. Families. Do you think different families talk about race more and less? Like some more than others?
Yes, because
there's more issues with certain races.
Yeah.
Like, let's say if it was white, it would be less issues with certain races because they're qualified as a higher level of social class. And if it was black, then they would talk about it more because it's a lower level of social class.
You think that's fair? That some families have to talk about that more?
It's not fair because they should be treated the same way when they let their child go anywhere to school. They should be treated the same way as the other kids.
Okay.
So, hello, my name is Milo, and this is my partner right here, Sindhu.
Hi.
So, what we wanted to do at Willard this month, which is February, nearing March, we can still fit this in, every single sixth grader of Willard wanted to do something real for Black Lives Matter. So everybody, come on.
Yeah! So what did the sixth graders do?
We decided to do some sociology and statistics. First, we created a survey and we all took it, the whole entire sixth grade. We looked at how different genders and races answered the questions.
Okay, so
What was your poster about, guys?
this poster is about how often do different races think about what life would be like if they were a different race.
Okay.
And as you can see, white people don't really think about it because they...
Whoa, are they even on there?
No, barely.
Basically not.
Barely. Probably because they're more privileged and they don't have a bad life, I guess, sometimes. And then people who are black or another race or two or more races, they think about it a lot because they're probably harassed or not treated fairly.
So, as you can see, black people really think about, if I was white, do you think I'll probably get the same respect as everyone else? But if you're black and just walking down the street, and then you would think about a lot of stuff and like what's happening around you, but you don't really have the right. You don't really think about the rights that you could be equal with the other white men.
Do you think if black people in the United States had all the power and all the money and all the privilege, do you think white people would think more about becoming black? Do you think it would be reversed?
That's a good question.
What do you think?
I think it would because,
Yes.
if you reverse it, kind of, society will never be equal, kind of. So if you reverse it, I think it will just be the same except for different races.
In this poster, the people who made it said that black students don't think we're doing enough around race compared to white students. And you can see this here.
According to the data, black students think that we are not doing as much to support them and work more on having mixed races. So they have a 2.5 average here. Is their graph. But the white students do think that we're doing a good job having a better, diverse, and supportive school for all different races. And their average was a 4. So this shows that we should be more like aware that black students don't think that we're being very supportive. And
Why do you think white students think that Willard's doing enough about issues of my race, and then black students don't?
probably because they aren't really we aren't really experiencing what they go through.
What do you think?
I think it's probably because they have more privilege and they don't...
White people do?
Yeah, and they don't feel what the black people, African Americans do, and they don't understand as much.
Action!
Our poster is about how often is your family harassed because of race, and here's the data. So it seems white people are the most unharassed because they are only harassed about 6% of the time. And then Asian and Indian people are harassed 8% of the time, which is equal basically. And then 2 or more people that are not black and Latino are harassed about 23% each. Black people and black and another race are harassed the most.
Wow.
It seems like at 30 and 33%.
So as being a black person, it hurts because a lot of people ask you who you are, what you do, and they harass you just because of the way you are, and it's not very nice to me, and I don't like it.
Yeah, and how often do you experience that?
Every day.
Every day.
How does gender and race affect question 8?
Question 8 is you see a police officer as someone who keeps you safe.
So black male said 2.44.
So these are just the guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Latino and others said 3.5.
And the higher the score, what does that mean?
The higher the score is more they trust in police.
Yeah.
Okay.
And white said 3.83.
So the numbers, like 1 means no, 2 means I don't think so, 3 means maybe, 4 means sure, okay, and 5 means absolutely.
So the higher the score, the more you're kind of friends with the police and trust them.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
what
for-
about the females?
For female, female black is 2.47, Latino and others 2.4, and white 3.34.
Whoa. What do you think about all those numbers?
I think maybe white people trust police more, maybe because there aren't as many darker colored police.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Is that fair?
No.
That we view people who serve us differently? Not really.
Thank you.
You're treated unequally.
Our generation can call out racism. We're not just kids playing on a playground. We can and are making a change.
Why are we continuously being treated differently because of our race and gender?
Our worlds are different.
People are being treated unequally because of their race.
It's our job
To change the statistics.